One love, one heart. Let's get together and feel alright. One love, one heart. Give thanks and praise to the Lord, and you will feel okay. Okay?
ẹ̀yin tèmi Ìyábọ̀ Òjó ó ti jáde ó ti wá sọ̀rọ̀ wípé kí a embrace peace ó ti sọ̀rọ̀ ó dàbí pé ó ti ready láti make peace pẹ̀lú Lizzy Anjorin pẹ̀lú arábìnrin tí a mọ̀ sí Tóyìn Abraham. Ó sọ̀rọ̀ gidi gan nínú fọ́nrán yìí. Ó ní kò sí nǹkan tí èèyàn ń fìjà ṣe, kò sí nǹkan tí èèyàn fi wàhálà ṣe. ẹ̀yin tèmi ẹ jẹ́ ká gbọ́ látẹnu Queen Mother.
So guys, my attention has been drawn to some issues going on social media, I think on TikTok. And a friend called me. One of them called also. I got some messages, but I've been very busy, and I'm still very busy because right now I'm even, I'm filming a cinema job. But I just want to drop this here very quickly. Please, I beg of you. You all should embrace peace. Embrace peace and, just embrace peace. Whatever it is that is going on, I'm begging everyone to please embrace peace. No one stole from me. No one offended me. No one did bad to me. But I am just this person. My ways might not be satisfactory to you, which is understandable. When something is done and it kind of wants to tarnish my image, I may react in ways that you yourself might not like. But that's how I know best to handle it. My ways of reacting, is it the best? It might be no. It might not be pleasing to you, but we're all humans. We're all humans. But trust me when I tell you for a fact that I do not take it to heart. Every single goddaughter of mine, every single young person that I know, every friend, anybody I come across with, ask them, láti tipẹ́tipẹ́. My prayer has always been pé wàá ga jù mí lọ, wàá ní jù mí lọ, ẹ̀mí á gùn, wàá lọ́lá. In fact, tí bá jù ẹ lọ, màá máa gbàdúrà fún ẹ pé ìwọ ló máa sìn mí. I have no intention or intentions whatsoever to wish anyone bad. Like if you've done something wrong to me and I feel like you've done something wrong to me and I've expressed how I feel about it, I'm done with it. I might give you space, do you understand, for a while, but trust me, there's no hard feelings. We're always going to come around. Because that's what friends do, that's what family do. Except tí bá rí pé ẹ̀ṣẹ̀ yẹn ó fẹ́ fi pa mí lára ni. Tí bá rí pé ẹ̀ṣẹ̀ yẹn ó fẹ́ fi lé ń pa ẹ̀mí mi ni. Tí bá rí pé ẹ̀ṣẹ̀ yẹn ó fẹ́ fi bà tọ̀tá rẹ̀ jẹ́ ni. But orí ò lè wà kó má mì náà. Ẹ jọ̀ọ́. Nígbà tí ìyá mi bí mi, when my mom had me, she named me IYABO. That's my name. I don't crave for anyone to call me auntie. I don't crave for anyone to kneel down and greet me. If anyone that has come across me, once you want to kneel down, I pull you back up. I wasn't raised that way. I wasn't raised by a Yoruba woman. I don't know whether most of you know. I've told my story and I'm still going to talk. I'm still going to tell my story. It's not a thing for me that you must kneel down to greet me. It's not a thing for me that you must call me auntie. I have friends that I'm 10, 15 years older than that they call me by my name. I have friends that I am older than. I have friends that are older than me that we call ourselves by name. It's not by auntie. It doesn't matter to me. I don't really care. You see, the only people that matter to me, that must call me mommy, is Festus and Priscilla, because I deserve it.